Today we are bringing you 4 Christmas games perfect for kids. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I bet he is. Our first game that we are playing is a little twist on hot chocolate. I don't actually have any hot chocolate in there. I just put some tissue paper at the bottom and then have some colored red and green marshmallows from the variety pack of marshmallows on the top. We each have a candy cane. He's going to go for green, I'm going to go for red. And the first person to get 5 marshmallows that they stick their candy cane in and pull them out is the winner. So Grant's going for green, I'm going for red. On your mark, get set, go! I'm gonna try it on the top. So try it. Oh, hey, that's a way to do it. He's just gonna pull them out. That's pretty creative. Here, I'll hold it and then you have a little bit more friction to get with. Oh my gosh, you're already at 3! I'm still going for 2.
No, I don't want to get one of these out.
Get a red one, get a red one. Oh no, he's only got 1 more. 2. Oh! Grant wins! High 5, you rocked that. Way to go.
Yeah. I eat all this.
You eat all of them and mine too. He's gonna have some fun. So that is our first game. While he finishes chewing, we'll set up for the next game and bring it to you.
Ho, ho, ho.
He's got his Santa belt ready. I think it must mean we're on our way for our next game. I have turned some basic red cups into some Santa belts like he is fashioning. And then I have, ho 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 Santa, I have 2 pieces of coal and 1 marshmallow snowball. This is a twist on your classic nut and cup game.
So what's under this cup?
Oh my goodness, I think it's a Grant. Which cup is Grant under? I think he's under the middle one. So we are going to put coal under 2 of the cups, a marshmallow under 1, spin them around, and if you can guess which one the marshmallow is in, what do you get to do?
Eat it.
He gets to eat it. Oh, look at that hat. Let's put, which one do you want to start the marshmallow under? That one? Okay, so piece of coal, and a marshmallow. You ready? We're gonna move around. Try and remember which one has the marshmallow. Did you already miss? Okay.
Yes.
Which one do you want to guess? Okay, I think it was under this one.
No.
Do you want to play again?
Yeah.
Okay, he's gonna see if he can get it this time. All right, so marshmallow's underneath this one, coal under both of those.
Wait.
Ready? You're using your finger. What are you using your finger for? All right, which one do you think it is? Oh, you won. High 5. While he eats this marshmallow again, it is on to our next game. So to create this game, I just have a wreath from the dollar store, a little gift tag with Santa and his sleigh. I've connected the 2 together with a little gift ribbon, and we're going to see who can, in the fastest amount of time, get Santa to fly in and around the wreath until he's already close to an out of ribbon. The one who can do it the fastest is the winner, and you may want to make it a little bit of a shorter length of ribbon for younger people, so I'm going to start out first because it's a little bit longer. So I'll time it. Ready? Let's see how fast we can go. Once. Oh, I missed. Oh, 3, 1 more. 4. So I successfully have him right there. Awesome. All right, it's Grant's turn. We're gonna see if he can beat my time. All right, now it's Grant's turn. Let's see how fast he can go. Oh, good job.
Wait, I want all the...
Hey, I think you should run with that. Show him really quick. So he actually has it spread across. I think that's awesome. Run with it. Do 1 more and you win. 1 more. Grant is totally the winner. Good job. Way to go. That was a really creative method where his string, instead of going all around, went around the whole thing. Brilliant work. Nicely done. On to our next game.
Let's roll.
Let's roll. For this game, it does involve rolling. We picked up a wind-up toy train from Walmart. It was like $2. And then we have 6 dice set out. One with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on them. We're each starting with 20 balls, and you can use any object that you have around the house. And for every time we roll this green dice, we're going to try and see if we can get the train, when we wind it up, to stop right next to the number we rolled. So if we rolled a 6, we'd want the train to stop right by the 6. If it doesn't stop by it, you lose 1 ball for every number it is away from it. So if I rolled a 3 instead of if the train stopped by a 3 instead of by the 6, I would lose 3 balls. If it stopped by the 1 instead of the 6, I'd lose 1 ball because it's just 1 away. The last person with any balls left is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I know 10 times 10 is
What?
100.
You're so smart. Big. Oh, a 1! And it's in front of a 1, so wind up. Hope that it is the perfect amount. You have to try and kind of guess about how long you think you'll need to make the track 1 time. So he's looking for the 1. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, do you think it'll make it around another time? No, stops at the 3, so he lost 2 balls. So 2 of his go away, all right. And I am just gonna start right where that one was at. So I got a 3. So I hope to just make 1 full completion. So I'm only gonna wind it a teeny bit. Let's see where it stops.
No.
Stop, stop, stop. That was perfect. So I get to keep all of mine. I couldn't have asked for one better. All right, so Grant's turn.
Please, please, please.
So he's going for a 4. Fingers crossed. More around. Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah!
Oh! Hey, that's not too bad.
That's like 1.5.
1.5, so just do 1. You can make it round up easier for children, maybe harder for the adults playing.
Close.
So close. All right, so he's going for a 2 right here. Oh, that's gonna be so close. Oh, you're only 1 away. Good job. So for me, again, if I get it anywhere between here and here this time, oh, I'm 2 away. I lose. Grant is our big winner. Nice job. All right. He is super excited.
I won every round.
You did win every round. Oh my gosh. All right, high five. Enjoying your celebration for all 4. So if you enjoyed these games and the fact that Grant won every round, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You just ate one. Silly. You thought I wasn't looking when I was starting the camera. The first person to lift 5 of them out is the winner. And I think he already just won because he just ate 1. Well, I'm getting the game set up. Grant's working out. Cowboy!
Cowboy.
You are so creative, dude.